Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Lauren again. Today we're going to do a product review on the LG, their new kind of design that they came out with. This is the WM3600 HWA in white. So first off, aesthetically, they changed the doors on these. Now you got the big glass front door. This is plastic, not glass, but a little bit more sleek, very thin, kind of nice design here. Another aesthetic change, they don't have buttons anymore. This is all touch now. It's a little bit different. This also has your smart Wi-Fi enabled. It's probably one of your biggest features. It's a cool feature to have. Basically, it will notify you. You could when your load's done, you could start your load when you're at the grocery store or whatever you're doing. So a lot of different benefits to going with LG. And of course, the same thing that we've seen before, the direct drive motor, no belts, clutches, pulleys, and brakes. One of the best motors on the market, and all of your machines right now that rate high typically have your direct drive motor. So 10-year warranty on that motor, pretty nice feature. Same thing we've seen in LG in the past, 4.5 cubic feet. The interior is a king size capacity, so you can fit a king size comforter in 4.5 cubic feet. Does have your steam built in as well. So allergens, stuff like that will kill 95% of allergens. It's got your bedding cycles. It's got the tub clean like we've seen in the past too with LG. In this setup here, we have the turbo wash, or sorry, the sidekick. So this one actually has, this is optional. You could do a pedestal or add this sidekick. This is a mini washer. You can actually wash small items of clothes at this at the same time you run this. It just connects with a different water line. So you can do all the same basic setup if you have the hot and cold connection. If you have a washing machine now, with the LGs, you could add this in and you don't even do any modifications to your home. So cool feature. Dryer, this is not the steam dryer, but 7.4 cubic feet on the capacity here. Same design that we've seen in the past with LGs. Overall, these machines rate really well on Consumer Reports. I imagine this is probably going to be in the top 20. But thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you guys next week.